All right, hover your face before you put them in. You gotta put your face over the bottle.
You gotta put my face over the bottle.
Over the bottle.
Can I piss my cigarette first?
Put your face over the bottle, like that. And meanwhile, hold it.
I gotta hold it like this?
Yes, it's. I guess you.
Now what, Mike? Just tell me.
Hover your face and put that handful of Mentos in the Coke. I guess you couldn't do it, could you?
You motherfucker. You goddamn motherfucker!
What?
Get out of my goddamn yard! Son of a bitch!
What? What are you doing?
Get that goddamn car, get out of my goddamn yard. Mentos in the goddamn brain. Don't you